told me better stay away. But mama out when that's the only way I play the game. But mama wanna bust down by the way she walk.
You already know what the business is. What you looking at, bitch? Yeah. Alright, anyways, on the way to the Thugga Thugga concert with MGK. Here, Corey, you mind taking that from me? What's
goody, what's goody, what's goody, what's goody, what's goody?
Still on. Okay, well. Thug concert, MGK. What's goody, what's goody?
On the way to the Coca-Cola Roxy. Before I go in, I might snort a line of Coke and pop a Roxy.
What the fuck?
I'm just kidding.
Man, that would be nice if we had some Coke, though.
Yeah. Yep. Yep. I'm so hyped, bro.
Me too. Hopefully you'll be playing some classics.
Yeah, I'm about to charge this phone up. I'm gonna throw a little...
Oh, you bought one? Oh, nice.
$10.
Oh, yeah.
A little expensive. Everything's expensive.
All right, well, a little intro. I'll holler at y'all. Be back when it's motherfucking litty. Like a motherfucking titty, bitch. Let's go.
Last time we were going to see a fight down like this.
motherfucking businesses. Got the Thug concert, lit in a bitch. Got YBN. Got MGK, of course. Young Thug. Got who else?
Gunna.
Some bitch. That was his sister. Of course, Gunna.
Loki.
Lit in a motherfucker, bro. Straight the fuck up. That's where I came.
So, Lubo.
What up, guys?
Track down the GoPro.
Yeah.
Lubo. Also,
Oh yeah, Lil Yachty. You already know what the fucking business is.
and I guess Young Thug's bitch has a career now. He put her on.
Yeah. Anyways, motherfucker, shit was lit, bro. Got the videos, y'all just saw it. You already know that shit was fucking fire.
Yep. I got
So.
like 30 videos on my phone about the fuck Instagram of tomorrow.
Lit.
Big dope, mama told me better stay away.